All right, boys, we back once again. So I just wanted to go over some of the recap from today. What we could expect again. People got caught at the lows of last week, so a lot of folks, I'm pretty sure, a lot of people went home bearish. You might not have. I certainly did not. Uh, and so I was definitely not going to fall for the trap once again. I sort of just expect this pattern to continue. The distribution at the end of the week that usually happens from higher levels essentially keeps the market afloat because once again we closed either right at the previous week or just below it. It's just like we're just going nowhere. And anyways, these levels sort of keeping us on the right side of things, just because they're giving us an idea of when we're overextended or when we're in a chop zone. Anyways, the trade for today was obviously, if you were bullish, you could have just bought off the open. And then what was really cool is I was watching this, and the EMA bands flipped green pretty much right before the open and right before we spiked. So the big trade for today was right here. You could have caught yourself a good 50 points within a matter of a few hours, and the rest of the day was pure chop. All it was setting up was just like a bull flag. They wouldn't let it break in the regular sessions, and then as soon as we opened up at 5 o'clock, I think they spiked another 20 points or so. So right now, we're just kind of chopping in the zone here. We're still pretty bullish here as far as our EMA bands here. Sort of looking like the trend might be losing some of the momentum. I'm not sure if it's going to come retest these bands here, but as of right now, you're within the. What I've got is these expected moves. I've got a few of them. I've got one for the 2 hour. I've got one for the, I don't know why I have two on here. Then I got another one for the 1 hour. And the only reason I'm doing that is because I'm trading on a 15-minute time frame. So I've got two different ones set up there just so I can I can know, hey, on a shorter time frames we're definitely either bullish or bearish. And then what was really nice is we caught a trade here, sort of using. I talked about this in the last video. Just when the when the sellers completely disappear, as you'll see here. I don't know if you can see it very well in on the video, but you can kind of see behind this gray box. Maybe I can get rid of the box here. Hold on. See if that helps you. But you can kind of see where the sellers. Let's do this. You guys can see it. There's no sellers left, right? Like you can see the sellers back underneath the green bars. So these are the points where I like to get into some scalps or into some trades because, again, you have another one right there, and it works both ways. Once all the bulls are gone, you get a situation where you can potentially see a reversal, and it works like a charm. I mean, you can see it right here. All the bulls are gone. Reversal. You can see it right here. All the bears are gone. We got a reversal soon after that. So, I mean, it's not a perfect science, but it does work more often than not. And so that's what I like using about it. But anyways, I caught this little trade off the top. We caught this little trade here just off the rip. I don't really like buying into the open very much just because of it's just super volatile. There's a lot of fake outs and stuff. But this was a pretty clear trend reversal there. So we'll be watching this, seeing if this EMA band holds. We're sitting here, pretty tight as far as the hourlies, that 1 hour, 2 hour goes. We're still in this chop zone, so there's really no trade to be had for me as of right now. And but we will wait. If we're looking at this bull flag here, then you'd probably be expected some kind of move of like, I don't know where you would put your target. Let's just say it's the breakout. It's a 48. So we could potentially see a move to 37.48, which would essentially be right at the psych level of 37.50. Would not surprise me. And what that does is that takes out that previous fake out from before, from last week, which we basically had this move right here, which was a spike at the open and then a sell-off all day. That right there would, if we could close right up there, then that would essentially negate that whole move. And then we could potentially start looking for even higher moves. That being said, once all the bears are gone, I think there's going to be a significant sell coming, and it's probably going to be coming when you're least expect it. So be on the lookout, keep your guard up, and hopefully you like this. And if you guys hop in the Discord with the T-Levels guys, and they can show you a whole bunch of setups, things to look for, the way they trade. This is just how I look at it, but there's 1,000 different ways you can use it. So make sure to click the link in the description, and we'll see you next time. Peace.